In today's episode, we take a closer look at Sean Combs, the music mogul, rapper, record producer, and entrepreneur known universally as Diddy. A dominant figure in hip-hop for decades, Diddy's personal life and sexuality have become the subject of intense speculation and discussion, especially in light of recent high-profile legal issues. So, is Diddy gay? Let's find out. Sean Combs founded Bad Boy Records in the early 1990s, launching the careers of artists like the Notorious B.I.G., Mary J. Blige, and Usher. He built a reputation as a savvy businessman and a larger-than-life figure in music, fashion, and media. For most of his career, Diddy has publicly dated women, including long-term relationships with Kim Porter, Cassie Ventura, and Jennifer Lopez. He is a father to several children. Speculation about Diddy's sexuality has circulated for years, often fueled by rumors, anonymous internet chatter, and more recently, court documents and former associates. These discussions often contrast his public, hyper-masculine persona with claims that his private life involved same-sex relationships and parties. Is Diddy gay? As of now, Sean Diddy Combs has never publicly identified as gay or bisexual, nor has he confirmed any specific label. He maintains a heterosexual public identity. However, recent extensive legal troubles involving allegations of sexual abuse, drug trafficking, and sex trafficking have brought the topic into the mainstream. Multiple civil lawsuits and a federal investigation have led to claims in court documents and media reports that Combs allegedly engaged in non-consensual sexual encounters and hosted parties involving both men and women. These allegations have been widely publicized, but remain just that, allegations in civil lawsuits that are currently proceeding through the legal system. Diddy has transformed from a foundational figure in hip-hop into a highly controversial public figure facing serious legal challenges. The main thing is that he has not personally confirmed his sexuality to the public. The current discussions around his sexuality are deeply intertwined with the severe allegations of sexual misconduct he is facing. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.